You're not being quoted an air conditioner. You're being quoted a system, a plan, an installation. And those are almost never the same thing from one home to the next. Let me show you why this happens.
From a distance, same house, same unit, same job. But when you get closer, they're not the same at all. You're not being quoted an air conditioner. You're being quoted a system, a plan, and an installation. And those are almost never the same from one home to the next. The first thing is how the system is designed for your home. Not just the size, but how it actually fits the house. Two homes that look similar from the outside can have very different setups. Then there's the installation itself. Some installs are straightforward, others take a lot more work to get right. For example, line sets. Sometimes they're easy to work with, other times they're buried. Slab homes, multi-unit buildings, you can't just replace them. And if they don't match what the new system needs, that changes the job completely. And it's not just the lines.